Color eyeshadow. Throw up. We're doing blue eyeshadow for the brown eyes. This is not liquor. This is my coffee. Listen, I ran out of my coffee cups. Do not clock me. Brush your brows. You're gonna carve your brows. Where is she? There she is. I use Anastasia on the outer because we want to build her up. Which, see, she's a little bald over here. And then I use the brow pen beginning so she looks nice and fluffy and natural. Put concealer as a base or your eyeshadows aren't gonna show. Today I'm gonna be my own inspiration. Look at that stank face on the train on the way to the city. Some loose powder first. That way things actually blend together. You know, it'd be nice, wouldn't it? Gonna go in with this coffee type of color. Then you take a clean brush and you blend whatever mess you just made. There's always one fucking eye that doesn't want to join the party. We're gonna cut the crease. I know you probably haven't heard that in fucking years, but let's bring her back. Thank you very much. Grab a curved flat brush like this. It's gonna be very easy, alright? We're gonna do it together. Now if you look up, is your outline. Look how much bigger that just made your eye. And I always try out the shimmer and the color I want to do on my hand first. Because look, this was the shimmer without a base. Look at the shimmer with the base. That way you know what you're doing before you put on your eye and fuck things up for yourself. Is this one bigger than her? I'm a little cockeyed. I'm gonna go in with a dark blue base. A nice flat brush. Yes, she's filthy. I don't want to hear it. I gotta clean my brushes. Looks like I shoved it up a Smurf's. Do you see this color payoff? Juvia's Place said, you want pigment? Here it is, bitch. Do you see what this is doing to my eye color already? They're turning orange in front of your eyes. It looks psychotic right now, but you gotta wait till the end. Trust me. I'll never let you down. So you hear a girl with an accent, all of a sudden I'm Michaela. I've been wearing a nameplate, Taylor, so you could get it right. No disrespect to her, I'm just saying, we're two separate people. Nice to meet you. Hello. This is a shimmer intensifier, so I'm gonna pat that on my lid, and then we're gonna put the shimmer, the best fucking part. The drag queen in my past life. Between the fucking attitude, the way I do my makeup and everything, come on. This is the shimmer, she better not let me down. Here we go. Party started. Listen, natural my fucking ass. Why wouldn't you want to look like this every day? Very thin liquid black liner just to blend in the lash. Might make it a wing. Been a while. I like riding a bicycle, I'll tell you that right now. Every single time I become fucking Amy Winehouse, I'm like, how did I get here? Listen, if it's a little fugly, it's fine. You got concealer, you clean it up. Makeup's eraser. Concealer. I'm gonna keep the eyes right here. Yes, I'm gonna add lashes. You know that already. I'm gonna go film another video to cover up this fucked up red face. And then I'm gonna still show you the ending result, alright? So you don't have to go there. You can stay right here. I'll be right back. And we're done. Look at this base. I keep telling you guys to listen to me. When are you gonna understand? I'm kidding. You guys are listening, and I fucking love you, hoes. Listen, put on some color eyeshadow and thank me later. I'll be taking the comments below, okay? What this did to my eyes, they're fucking orange. I look like I have superpowers. That's what I'm talking about. But I gotta go. I'll see you later, tomorrow. Let me know what color we're doing tomorrow, because we're gonna be doing this every single fucking day. Right now, Tide is purple, orange, and red is sneaking up in there. But I love you, bitches. Make sure you pick up the phone when I fucking call you, alright? Your skin is fucked up. So is mine. I have a blurring primer because you know we all have texture. We can't let people know we have real skin. Put on your foundation. Wait, your concealer isn't dry yet. That was a test. You almost fucking failed. Don't put the evil eye on me again. My foundation's missing. Where the fuck would it go? Not just gonna walk right off my vanity. Found that she was actually where she belonged, which never happened. Using this foundation because it's running out. Do sponge motions, but you're gonna grab a brush. Full coverage girls over here. A sponge sucks everything up. Why you gonna do that? Where'd my fucking lips go? Now that we look like the moon emoji, make sure you grab your contour palette. This is my chocolate chip contour palette. It is limited edition. I'm so sorry. By yelling at P. Louise, not me. The hair to your fucking face. Into surgery. So I gotta be somewhere in 15 minutes, so I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna pull this off. You're always calling me a bitch and shit. Where the fuck are the powers? After lipo. Put that loose powder on the palette and you're gonna put it all over your fucking face. I don't wanna be a grease ball. This is what's gonna suck in all our oil throughout the day. Studio Fix foundation powder, more coverage all over the face. This is gonna help blend everything together so you're not a patchy bitch. Grab a smaller brush for your bronzer. This is how you know I use this shit all the time. You see this pan? Anything I do with the liquid, you know we gotta do with the powder. That's how it sets everything in different places. Rinse your brush while you do your nose so it's nice and snatched. Smile to your haters while you put it on. If you look like a lunatic and you put on too much blush, it's fine because we're gonna put brightening powder that's gonna blend it still together. Fuck is my brightening powder? Where the fuck is it? The brightening powder in question, like I said, I only take selfies, so do not ask me about fucking flashback. Hydrating spray for the shimmer so it actually shows. Going with a matte setting spray, it's gonna look chalky. If you go with a hydrating setting spray, you're gonna look glistening. And I dry down just a little bit so we're not a patchy, streaky fucking mess. I want it tacky and then look at the highlighter. Oh my god. If a pimple where I put my highlighter, that shouldn't be there. But it's okay because normal people have real skin. Remember, we control the shine, so now we have to put powder one more time in the areas that should stay matte. This is the trick to look filtered in real life. I can't even use filters because I look like a fucking psychopath afterwards. I'm so filtered before with my makeup that with the filter I look like an alien. Let me go finish this shit. I'll be right back. Alright, we're all done. Who the fuck has acne? Because I don't. What pimples? What smoothing filter? You know we're not filtered over here. He is with the smoothing filter, alright? You're not never gonna find me in a lie. Stop putting what color we're doing because I'm not sure yet. It's like red, orange. What the fuck are you trying to make me do here? Don't you dare sabotage me. I love you, bitch. You know you can't get rid of me. We're stuck together. Realest bitch you ever met. Talk to you later, ho. Bye-bye.